What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can remove this annoying gray line in Google Documents. Also, as always, if you want to know what equipment I'm using to make this video, I will leave those links in the description below. So let's get started. So I was just editing this text here, and it seems that I accidentally pressed a key on my keyboard and then this gray line appeared. So as I kept writing, this gray line just kept splitting my text, as you can see right here, and now I want to disable it. So this is what you need to do to disable this gray splitting line in Google Docs. So first off, go in the upper right corner of your Google Documents and click on the View tab right here. Now when you're on your View tab, here you have a different types of layouts that you can enable and disable. So to get rid of this line, you simply need to click on Show Print Layout. And then this will revert your layout to the old normal layout where your text is split in pages and not by gray lines. So that's how you can turn off this gray line in Google Documents. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, if you want to support the channel further, you can check out my Buy Me a Coffee link in the description below. Thank you for watching.